Since as far back as Breakneck Bog, I've been doing everything humanly possible to rid the archipelago of you and your dragon riders. But you have a most annoying habit of not dying when you're supposed to.
You have your own pesky habit. You never stop talking. You give away pretty much everything, especially when you think you have the upper hand. You see, when I did this little move to Toothless to leave, leaving was actually the last thing I told him to do.
The Sandbuster will surely hear if a plasma blast is fired.
Probably, but I just don't see him needing a plasma blast for this. Toothless!
Now I believe we are all caught up. The lenses, please. Now. What? Oh, Hiccup. Why make this any more complicated than it needs to be? Perhaps, for old time's sake, I should regale you with tales of alligator races with the Sultan of Zanzibar, or some such fictional account of my travels. That's right, Hiccup. The tales I sold you and your gullible father I plundered from real merchants before I sunk them and their ships.
Good job, Toothless. Johann. Now's not the time, bud. But I have a feeling we're going to get another shot at him soon.